In this video, I will show you how you can pair a replacement AirPods 4. Now, if you have bought a replacement AirPods 4 and if you want to pair it with the case, first of all, just make sure you place both of your AirPods in the charging case. Then just close the lid. And after that, on your iPhone, just go to Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Now, just make sure you enable Bluetooth. And after that, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name. Then tap on Forget this device and select Forget Device. Now after you do that, now on your AirPods, just open the lid of your AirPods. Now from here, just double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first double tap, the second, and the third. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset of your AirPods. Now just close the lid of your AirPods. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. And after that, just open the lid back open and just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And this is how you can pair a replacement AirPods 4. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.